In 1950, the renowned British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" in a scientific paper. This wasn't the first time someone had asked this question, but Turing's significant contribution was to move the discussion from theoretical and philosophical to practical and experimental terms. He described an explicit criterion, later called the Turing test, for evaluating machine intelligence. In the Turing test, a human interrogator engages in a natural language conversation with one human and one machine, both hidden from view. If the interrogator cannot reliably tell the machine from the human, the machine is considered to have passed the test and exhibited human-like intelligence. This set the stage for modern computational approaches to AI, making his inquiry into "can machines think" a pivotal moment in the history of artificial intelligence. Then, in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined at Dartmouth Conference, and AI became a formal field of study. Participants at the conference agreed to bring together experts interested in neural networks, the theory of computation, and automata theory to explore if machines could simulate various aspects of human intelligence. As you can see, scientists have taken inspiration from human intelligence and aimed to impart it to machines from the very beginning. The AI research community has faced many challenges. The 1960s and 70s are known as the AI winter. Technology and data availability limitations reduced funding and interest in AI research. AI didn't make big headlines for decades, until 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Computer power surged in the late 1990s and early 2000s, and the internet rapidly expanded worldwide. Almost overnight, the necessary ingredients were in place. People worldwide were churning out massive volumes of digital data, and computer processing capabilities skyrocketed. This dramatic shift proved to be a turning point for AI research. It didn't take long before Geoffrey Hinton co-published a paper in 2006 reviving the interest in neural networks with deep learning techniques. Deep learning neural networks are a type of AI that is inspired by how the human brain works. One needs lots of data and high computational power to run deep learning models. So, creating such a model would have been impossible a decade earlier. In 2011, IBM's Watson AI won the Jeopardy quiz show, showcasing substantial advances in natural language processing. AI was able to work with human language. In 2012, researchers at Stanford and Google, including Jeff Dean and Andrew Ng, published Building High-Level Features Using Large-Scale, Unsupervised Learning, a paper that advanced multi-layer neural nets, or deep neural networks. Their system excelled at recognizing cats. In 2017, the Google Brain team developed a fundamental scientific contribution, introducing transformers. This model was a significant breakthrough in natural language processing due to its use of self-attention mechanisms, allowing it to process data sequences, like text, efficiently. Then, just a year later, in 2018, OpenAI released the first version of its GPT series. This generative AI technology utilized transformers to build massive large language models called LLMs. This led to significant enhancements across subsequent versions and introduced a user-friendly AI chat interface, or ChatGPT, in late 2022. The field of AI has truly come a long way, evolving from theoretical concepts to practical applications that are changing our world.
This first prompt will help you plan the perfect itinerary that actually makes sense. So come into ChatGPT and type this in. Create a detailed travel itinerary for your destination that maximizes experiences while minimizing stress. Include daily schedules, local transportation options, and hidden gems not found in typical tourist guides. Focus on authentic experiences and practical logistics like travel times between locations. Now you have a schedule that actually works. Prompt number 2 will help you avoid any money surprises while you're traveling. Design a flexible budget breakdown for however long your trip is to your destination. That includes accommodations, activities, and meals. Account for both essential costs and discretionary spending with options for both budget-conscious and comfort-seeking travelers. And this last prompt will help you actually enjoy your trip instead of stressing about the details. Generate a pre-trip preparation checklist for your destination, starting from however many weeks before departure. Include timing for bookings, necessary documentation, packing lists, and local customs or etiquette tips. Organize it by priority and deadline.
Here's a romantic, relaxing, plus lightly adventurous 7-day Santa Barbara itinerary for Sept 10 to 17, designed specifically for a couple in their 60s who want sunshine, mid-70s Gurus fare, ocean views, gentle hikes, water activities, great food, wine, and stress-free travel from San Francisco, all well within your $7,000 budget.
And are you tired of spending hours researching and planning your next vacation? Look no further than Roam Around, your AI-powered companion for... Are you tired of spending hours researching and planning your next vacation? Look no further than Roam Around, your AI-powered companion for seamless travel experiences. You have your very own personal AI travel planner at your fingertips. Powered by the cutting-edge GPT-3 technology, simply enter your destination, click Let's Roam, and watch as Roam Around builds an itinerary that will take you on an unforgettable journey. As you scroll down, you'll discover a curated list of destinations, activities, and accommodations perfectly tailored to your travel needs. But what if you have a specific request or a hidden gem in mind? You can enter your special request, whether it's a unique activity, a local hotspot, or an off-the-beaten-path gem, and Roam Around will generate a personalized itinerary just for you. Once your dream itinerary is complete, you can easily save it on your PC for quick access and reference. Click Share to circulate your trip with friends and family.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.
Are you tired of spending...
The Translate app on your iPhone to speak text in another language. Choose English here, and then whatever language you'd like spoken on the right. Paste some text, and then hit the play button.
Comment vous appelez-vous et où se trouve la salle de bain?
You can even go to conversation mode, select face-to-face if you're speaking with someone else, hit the three dots and auto-translate, and when you tap the microphone, it will continually translate everything you are saying in English, and the moment someone else starts speaking in the other language, it will translate their side to you. Je veux que le montant l'ignore. Hit the follow button for more tips and tricks. You can use the Translate app on your iPhone to speak text in another language. Choose English here and then whatever language you'd like spoken on the right, paste some text, and then hit the play button.
Comment vous appelez-vous et où se trouve la salle de bain?
You can even go to conversation mode, select face-to-face if you're speaking with someone else, hit the three dots and auto-translate, and when you tap the microphone, it will continually translate everything you are saying in English, and the moment someone else starts speaking in the other language, it will translate their side to you. Je veux que le montant l'ignore. Hit the follow button for more tips and tricks. You can use the Translate app on your iPhone.
You can use Google Travels to search for flights, search for hotels, and so forth, right? So I'm going to show you how to access that so that you can use it. So once you're on google.com, guys, sign into your account, simply click the Google apps on the upper right and scroll down and you will find travel in the list here. So click in travel. This is going to take you over to Google Travel, guys, and you can go ahead and you can search for flight, hotels, and more, right? So as you can see here, right? So here's a search. You can search for whatever, you can explore, and you're also having some popular destinations showing on the home page right here. So you can click and explore to see what's there, and you can just basically look around what the price is. On the left hand side, you can search as well. As you can see here, you can go to flights. If you want to search for flights, you can, and you can see as well that you have some prices, and you can see some flights here. Some cheap flight is some cheap. Here you can see some cheap flights as well from your current location, and that's pretty cool, especially when you want to just go somewhere, right? You can just look to see what's there. You can find cheap flight from your destination, right? And so you can easily use that to search flight. The same for hotels as well, so you can find hotels as well right here, right? You can find vacation rentals as well. You have a whole lot you can use to search, right?